guys, it's Landry and I'm back with this week's video. Today I'm going to be using an app to pick out my makeup. It's just I'm using Whirligig or Whirligig or whatever. So I'm just gonna like spin this little spinner and it's gonna pick something. And so I thought this would be like kind of fun, like kind of spice it up a little. So let's get right into it. Which foundation I should use? BB cream. Okay, we see you. It's not really like a foundation, but whatever floats your boat. First, gotta moisturize. I don't have any other moisturizer, so it's not gonna pick that. Oh no! Next, we're gonna go in for concealer. So which concealer should I use? And then Shape Tape or Maybelline. So we're using Maybelline, sister.
Well, can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside. But baby, you hardly even notice when I try to show you. Song is meant to keep you doing what you're supposed to.
Screen recording is still recording, that's great. Oops. Turn it off now. Is that how that works? I don't know how to work an iPhone. I need help. Oh. We're gonna do which bronzer should I use? And we have the Naked Flushed. We're back, sisters. Hi, sisters. We're back. I don't know if you got this, but I got a pretty good contour in while we were gone. Got Breeze. So, who's Breeze? Okay. Get this little pretty one right here. We love her. Like, she's kind of dark for me. I've tried to film this video like 12 times and then it just stops recording. So if there's no footage, that's my problem. Highlights poppin', so it's fine. Eyebrows. Urban Decay. Or Elf. I hate it like how it says like answer to. No, I put Urban in and it's not answer to, it's Urban.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Fine, it's fine. It's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. Please say Elf. Urban. Here's the tea, the truth tea, sis. I always use Elf just because I like it better. Like all no tea, no shade, all pink lemonade. But like I like Elf's a little better. We're gonna go in with this pink first. Ooh, okay. That's a look. We're gonna take some. Now I know what you're thinking. I know.
Landry, this is a pink makeup look.
And I'm like, okay.
What was the most thing I've ever said? I accidentally added 3. So if it lands on the 3rd one, then we're just gonna pick a random one. Lash Paradise, of course.
Pretend it all the time. And can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside.
Lips. Bitty Doo Dah, as James Charles would call it. Spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. Which one? Please don't be the red one, please. It is Answer. Which is Answer is Urban. That was a quick save there. Did anyone see that? I don't know if you did because I don't really know where the camera's tilted.
I have a good position there.
You can't talk and put on lipstick. Life hack.
You would love her. You and father and mother.
Oh. Okay. Ooh. we stan her. We stan her all. Okay, we like this look. This is the complete I let an app choose my makeup look, and I think it looks pretty good. Here, I can take my hair out of my makeup ponytail. Oh, we stan her. We like her. We definitely think she's a look. Okay guys, so if you guys like this week's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if I should do another challenge type video. And I did not come up with this idea. It is completely unoriginal, so yeah. Bye!